Welcome to another holiday card series video. Here I'll show you how to make this elegant and simple Merry Christmas card where the design or the writing of the Merry Christmas looks like a string of Christmas lights. Shown here are the supplies you need to make this card. Start by taking your pencil and drawing out the design. Apologies for the poor quality of the video here. Once you're happy with the design and you have everything drawn out in pencil, switch over to your black pen. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size M. I find this is a really nice thickness for this design, as it meant that I only had to go over everything once. The nice thing about this design is, since it's supposed to mimic Christmas lights, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, the words don't have to be perfectly symmetrical, etc. And so it gives you a bit of freedom to be creative, but also if you make a little bit of a mistake or things are not perfectly lined up, it actually plays into and I think contributes to the design. Once I had the words drawn out, I continued on with the same pen and I drew in the lights kind of randomly on each word. Then I just went in with various colors of pen. Again, these are Faber-Castell pens, and all of the exact colors that I use will be linked down below. An easy way to customize this design is to simply change the color pens that you're using. I ended up going with red, green, blue, yellow, and purple. A final optional step, if you do have a silver colored pen, is I went in and I colored in the base of each of these little lights silver to kind of mimic the silver bulb or end bit of lights that they often have. If you don't have a silver pen, you could very easily just leave this outlined in black and not color it in, but since I had it laying around, I chose to add this little bit of extra detail to this design. And if you've chosen to do that step, once that is complete, this simple Christmas card is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this Christmas card yourself. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.